Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Eduventure SG. So let's do another interesting word problem on whole numbers. Let's read the question first. The cost of admission tickets for 2 adults and 3 children to Bird Park is $183. The cost of admission tickets for 3 adults and 2 children is $192. What is the cost of one adult ticket? So what we have here is the admission ticket for 2 adults and 3 children is $183, right? And then the cost of admission tickets for 3 adults and 2 children is $192. It's of course for the same bird park, right? So see here, observe the difference here. Here it's 2 adults and 3 children. However, in the second case it's 3 adults and 2 children, right? So let's write this information. Whatever information we have, let's write it. So what we have here is that okay, two adults plus 3 children, okay, plus 3 children ticket cost is how much? $183, right? So let's say this is my equation 1. Now how about the second case, right, in which the cost of 3 adult tickets, right, so 3 adults plus 2 children tickets cost, right, the cost of 3 children tickets is equal to $192, right? So let's say this is my equation 2. Now what can we do with these two equations? Right, with these two equations, what can we do? See, there are two unknowns. Neither we know the cost of what is the cost of admission ticket for adults, nor we know what is the cost of the admission tickets for children, right? And so in order to find the cost of one of them or both of them, we need to eliminate one of the unknowns, right? With this we can't find anything. So until unless out of these two unknowns, adults and children, until unless we remove one of the unknowns, we get rid of one of the unknowns, we won't be able to find the other one, right? Now which one we should eliminate from these two equations? Which unknown we should eliminate, right? The children or the adults? See, here in the question they are asking about the cost of one adult, right? So we can, although we can eliminate any one of them, right, and but it will be longer, the steps will be more to solve it. So the best way is to eliminate, for this case, right, we eliminate children's, right, because then we will be able to get directly what is the cost of adult tickets. Okay, so the thing is, how do we eliminate these children from 3? Here in the first equation there are 3 children, and in the second equation there are 2 children. So how do we get rid of this, right? So see, we have to make them same, right? We have to make them equal if we want to eliminate. Now how do we eliminate? How do we make them equal? It's we can make them equal by finding the least common multiple of 3 and 2. So what's the least common multiple of 3 and 2 and 3? Any idea? It's simple, it's 6. So the least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. That means we need to make here the number of children in both the equations 6, right? Then we need to make the number of children in both the equation equals to 6. And how do we make it 6? Simply multiply this 3 by 2, right, and this 2 here by 3. But it's not that we cannot just multiply this 3 children by 2. If we are multiplying this 3 children by 2, we have to multiply the whole equation by 2, right, so that the equation remains valid. It remains the same. We just can't multiply only the children only with 2, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to multiply this whole equation 1 by 2 and the equation 2 by 3. Why? Because then the number of children in both the equations will be 6. just see how. So equation 1 times 2 and equation 2 times 3 will give me what? So let's start with multiplying the equation 1 by 2. What do we get? See, 2 times 2 adults will give me 4 adults, correct? So 4 adults plus 2 times 3 children will give me 6 children, and then 2 times 183, right, it will give me 366. Okay, so this will give me 366. That means the cost of admission tickets for 4 adults plus 6 children, okay, 6 children is 366, right? So let's say this is my equation 3. Okay, now let's do the same process for equation 2. Let's multiply the whole equation by 3, right? So 3 adults times 3 will give me 9 adults. Okay, so 9 adults plus 3 times 2 children will give me 6 children. Okay, and then 3 times 192, okay, will give me how much? It will give me 576. Okay, that means the cost of admission tickets for 9 adults and 6 children will be how much? It's 576, right? So let's say this is my equation 4. Now if you observe both this equation, the equation 3 and equation 4, see the number of children in both the places is same, and that's what we wanted, right? Because we want to get rid of one of the unknowns, right? So now here you observe for this one there are 9 adults, 6 children, and total cost is 576. In equation 3 there are 4 adults, 6 children, and total cost is $366, right? Now if I subtract equation 3 from equation 4, what will happen? In a way, we are subtracting the cost of 4 adult tickets plus 6 children from the cost of 9 adult tickets and 6 children, right? So let's do that and see what will happen. So what we are going to do is equation 4 minus equation 3. What do we get? So let's write this one first, right? So 9 adults plus 6 children, right, which is written here, minus 4 adults, because we are minusing equation 3. So what we have in equation 3 on the left hand side, 4 adults and 6 children, so we have to minus that, right? So 4 adults minus 6 children is equal to, what do we have on the right hand side? It's for 4, it's 576, and then minus 366, right? So the cost of 6 children here will be cancelled by the cost of 6 children here, right? Because one is plus and the one is minus. And 9 adults minus 4 adults will give me 5 adults, right? So the cost of 5 adults will be equal to how much? It will be 576 minus 366, which will give me 210, right? So what will be the cost of one adult ticket? What will be the cost of one adult ticket? It will be 210 divided by 5, and that will give me $42, right? $42. So the cost of one adult ticket is $42. So that was the question, right? So let's write our answer quickly. So the cost of one adult ticket is $42. So that's the solution of this question. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.